Hey y'all, it's Kristen Stellar, and we are going into the Haley's room because there's surprise trooper. No, you can't come in. There's Haley, and there's our bird baby. She has escaped from her cage because somebody put the door open. Whoops. Fly, baby, fly.
Come on, baby, you gotta get down there.
Get down, bird. Shut up, trooper. Excuse me.
Baby! Stop that. Hey!
Make her fly. Trooper.
Don't eat air poop, baby.
That crazy dog. She'll poop on the Wii. See? Wii. PS2. Wii. TV.
Butt.
Haley's butt. Hey, baby bird. Hey, baby bird. Trooper. Crazy dog's trying to get in. He can't miss anything. He wants to go on a walk, but we're cleaning house right now. As you can see, we're cleaning house. I'm letting the bird out. Ah! Trooper! Crazy dog.
Oh, God.
Maybe if we just leave her alone, she'll fly. That's what we did last time.
Okay, maybe.
You're gonna fall again like you did that one time.
Shut up.
At least I'll have it on camera this time.
Kiss my butt.
Or she's gonna have to fly or something. Trooper, shut your face. I'm gonna go sit down. Come on. Our viewers are getting bored.
Come on, baby, fly.
Fly, baby. Wow. Just go fly and hit you in the head.
Oh, no, baby.
Ooh, she turned around. She's gonna get you. Hey, baby bird. I think the bird got bigger or something.
Mad.
Just knock it off.
I ain't knocking my bird off.
It can fly. Get that teddy bear and get it. Teddy bear. Get the teddy bear and get it. This is not animal abuse. This is playing with the bird. It likes this.
Oh, baby, be careful. Oh, I see. She's got like one of those thingies up there.
Yeah, well, this is really boring. Come on, bird.
You made her go.
Bird.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll make another video if something happens. Bye, y'all.